Peugeot 208 come with a special version for 2021. The new Peugeot 208 will be on sale worldwide in early 2021. For the 2021 version, the company makes a lot of improvements to this car. Even the company provides a special version of Peugeot 208 which called the new 2021 Peugeot E208. So let's check it out what kinds of improvement the maker did to this Peugeot 208. 2021 Peugeot 208 New Styling. Although the Geneva electric motor program was delayed this year as a result of an infection corona, it was still elected European Cars of the Year. In the competitors of the BMW 1 Series, Ford Puma, Porsche Taycan, Renault Clio, and the new Toyota Corolla Edition, the starting point was taken by 2021 Peugeot 208. The court was composed of 60 reporters from 23 European nations. This second generation changed to the usual modular system, bringing a weight reduction of 30 kilograms. This might not seem like a lot, yet it will lower gas intake. An additional benefit of the brand new system is the much less sound as well as resonance in the cabin. There suffices area, we can say so much that it can be a rival with a greater C sector. The excellent information is that French developers hold to iCockpit design. For those that do not know, the guiding wheel acts as if on a lap as well as the innovation of the tools looks appealing with 3D results. 2021 Peugeot 208 Engine System. For the engine, PureTech 75, PureTech 100, PureTech 130 as well as BlueID 100 stay-the-drive devices are powered this 2021 Peugeot 208, however, the uniqueness needs to be the electrical version. Gas Pure Technology engine number amounts to a variety of equines, while all engines have 1.2 quantity. Relying on the power, the full throttle goes from 170 to 208 km per hour. Gas intake standards 5.5 liters. Carbon dioxide exhausts around 126 g/km. Pointed out BlueID offers 100 steeds with 1.5 quantity. Its intake is 4.2 liters, while carbon dioxide exhaust is 111 g/km. 2021 Peugeot E208 version. The biggest difference between the base Peugeot 208 and E208 is its engine. Initially, allow stress that this is not a crossbreed, however a totally electrical variation. A 50 kWh batteries provide the electrical motor a power of 136 equines and also 260 Nm of torque. The long-term magnet concurrent electric motor utilizes a solitary rate transmission as well as gives 340 km of freedom. Full throttle is 150 km per hour, while velocity from 0 to 100 is accomplished in 8.1 secs. Peugeot ensures that the batteries will maintain 70% of their first ability after 8 years of use or 160,000 kilometers. Utilizing an 11 kW battery charger takes 5 HRS as well as 15 minutes, while making use of 7.4 kW indicates 8 HRS. The fastest means for billing is a 100 kW battery charger in simply half an hour. Availability and 2021 Peugeot 208 price. So far I know, this new 208 and E208 will be on sale in late January next year. This city hatchback continues to be part of the second generation, and also costs in the UK market begin at $16,250 for the base design. That means $21.287 in USD.